Job is to maintain law and order. First of all, if people are not maintaining law and order, and these people's complaints are very genuine. So एकदम सही complaints है. You are not maintaining any law and order, and you are not working as a policeman. What is your job? First job is to maintain law and order. What law and order you are maintaining? Please tell me. And why when these people are complaining, now Fahim Saab is saying that why you are waiting for charge sheet? Tomorrow if I kill somebody, what do? You will file a charge sheet first, or you arrest me or remand me. Don't teach me law. I also okay. This I am warning you today. I am telling you today. From today onwards, I want everybody in the police department to take care of this place, 90 acres. Otherwise, I will come and sit in the night. If you cannot do it, I will sit. मैं आके बैठता हूँ. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. This is a vast property. This is not anybody's land. समझे ना? आप लोग बहुत खामोश बैठते हैं तो सिर पे चढ़ बैठते हैं. And you department people also. What are you doing? Why are you not agreeing to the gazette? Tell me please. It's a government gazette.
Yes, sir. Government.
Did I write? Did you write? Or did they write? No, ना. किसने भी नहीं लिखा ना गजट. गजट का मतलब क्या है? You people, everybody start complaining. खाली complain करते रहते हैं एक के ऊपर. Why can't you do your duty properly? Otherwise, I will remove everybody. I will write to the same. I will write to the DGP also. If you cannot do the job, you please write. Give me in writing that हम नहीं कर सकते यहाँ पे. This is not the way it should function. To assaulted. What are you doing? Why he should come and why he should MLA should come and stand here? It is their job. It is nobody's job. It is not my job also. It is your job.
Why allowing to them? Why you people allowing to them?
You don't. When it's a status quo, it has a status quo for everybody.
DCP garu, last 1 month, how many structures has came up?
So many, bhai.
We have to
Last 1
demolish everybody.
you take the Google pictures.
आप बताइए जाके कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर है?
अच्छा नहीं, परसों सीओ साहब पुलिस को बोले सपोर्ट करो, तो पुलिस सपोर्ट नहीं करे.
Why you are not doing?
First of all,
But
CA garu,
last week-
people are very much complaining about you, and I am saying you, this is what you are doing is not correct. I am saying you, this is not at all correct from your part.
एक मिनट CA गारू, you are allowing that the persons to encroach that. Are you saying their documents? On what basis you are allowing to them
Yeah.
to encroach? You are denying our documents. And how allowing to them to encroach and all this thing?
That means you are going against the
Are you
government.
satisfied with the documents?
You are working for the government or working for the people?
Tell me, openly tell me. Are
Or
you
land
satisfied with
grab
the documents? You are denying our documents, no? Are you satisfied with their documents?
We'll ensure.
No, not sir, you are telling, but
DCP
the
garu.
below officer not following.
Last 1 month, ఎన్ని structures వచ్చాయో
पूरा demolish करिए. I want all the details.
పిక్చర్ తీసుకొని
Yeah.
దాన్ని గూగుల్ ఫోటేజ్ పట్టేసి వాళ్ళు చూపిస్తారు ఫిజికల్ గా మీరు చూసి గూగుల్ పిక్చర్ చూసి దాన్ని ఇమీడియట్ గా ఫ్రమ్ మున్సిపల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్
You also will make sure everything.
हाइड्रा ऑफिसर्स हाइड्रा भी है फाइन साहब
వేరియస్ జోనల్ కమిషనర్
When is coming? Come on time.
Meeting is there.
No, leave the bloody meeting. This is a very serious issue. Your meeting is not important for me today.
I will come.
This is a very serious issue. It's happening for so many years. What are we doing?
who is from Hyderabad?
Every day is complaining. Every day people are getting assaulted.
हाइड्रा ही सर
भाई भाई
Sir, one minute.
मैं एक मिनट एक बात भाई भाई सबसे पहली बात सीओ साहब से एक कंप्लेंट डीसीपी साहब से करा
3 साल कंप्लेंट दी है
नहीं पुरानी डेट में फ्रेश डेट में कराना करा के पूरा आपके इंस्पेक्टर पूरा को रख के यहाँ बोर्डा काटने लगाओ और उनको आइडेंटिफाई करो कोसे डिमोलिश कर देगा आप कंप्लेंट का नाम की तरफ से कर रहे हैं
है तो ये हो गया कि एक प्राइवेट इंक्रोचर कंप्लेंट करा तो ये लोग आके 2.5 साल पहले 3 साल पहले खबरस्तान को लॉक कर दिया. खबरस्तान कैसा मूव ऑलरेडी ग्रेवयार्ड एक्सिस्टिंग ग्रेवयार्ड है.
खबरस्तान में जाने सके
कौन बन के?
वहाँ पे जो कार्ड के शेड के लोग है ना उन लोग जाए कंप्लेंट आ दिए तो उसको लाठी डाल दिया डिपार्टमेंट मंडल वाले बंद कर दिया.
Job is to maintain law. Let me know. I will have somebody else who will come in because this land is a protected land. And you all the whoever is the owner, I want them behind bars. Nobody can come here and assault. I am telling you. Because this will balloon into a very very big issue. Then your job will be online. You everybody. I will not leave with this issue. I am telling you today, very nicely telling you. I am very upset. That's why I have other work also. I left everything and come here. This is not my job to come and sit. This is your job to take care of the land. It is everybody, all the department. What you people are doing? Every time you want.